A wandering street cart named Globe Sizzle began in Bangkok, drawing crowds with a sizzling wok and bright, moving aromas. Owners collected recipes from markets across Asia and Europe, then matched them to local ingredients, creating dynamic nightly menus. In Lisbon, they swapped chili garlic prawns for piri-piri twists, turning napkins into keepsakes that traveled with patrons. By the time the cart rolled into Lagos, the team showcased a fish stew using coconut milk, olive oil, and lemongrass. The result was a pavement gallery where flavors mapped memories, proving street food could unite continents without losing soul.